I've been using the ladder workout app for a while now, and this is my honest, unbiased review. In this video, I'll go over everything you need to know, from the main features to the pros, cons, and key considerations. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of what makes Ladder stand out. Ladder is a premium strength training app built around structured, progressive overload workouts that help you build muscle and get stronger over time. Unlike many apps that throw random daily workouts at you, Ladder organizes your training into focused 5 or 6 week blocks, followed by a deload week. This structure ensures steady progress and proper recovery, making it great for anyone serious about strength training, whether you work out at home or in the gym. The app's interface is clean and intuitive. Each workout comes with clear video demonstrations and in-ear coaching from professional trainers. Most sessions include 5 to 6 main exercises, complete with reps, sets, and built-in rest timers, all designed to keep you focused and consistent. One of Ladder's best touches is how smoothly it integrates with music apps like Spotify and Apple Music. Your music keeps playing while the coach's voice fades in and out naturally during cues, no awkward interruptions. You'll also find a variety of training styles to choose from, including kettlebells, Pilates strength fusion, HIIT, bodybuilding, and power endurance programs. Whatever your style, Ladder keeps its focus on smart, progressive strength development. The app lets you track your progress with a built-in journal, so you can actually see your improvements in weight, reps, and performance over time. Plus, features like team chats and motivational badges bring a fun social element that helps you stay accountable. The main drawback is that Ladder is only available on iOS and costs around $30 per month. Still, many users praise its expert coaching, well-planned programs, and the way it takes the guesswork out of training. Whether you're a beginner building a foundation or an experienced lifter looking for structure, Ladder offers a well-designed, motivating fitness experience that delivers real results.